gonna do a little test. I turned the camera back on because it's windy as hell outside, so I wanted to see how good this dude over here jumping ramps and stuff like that. Right? So I wanted to see if I could how this thing would sound with the wind. So I got my visor open right now just to see what's going on. So we cruising right now at 45 miles an hour. I'm on the 2018 Gsx250r. We are headed to the highway. About to hit the highway, getting money to fly away. And we're gonna cruise, man. I'm super happy I can start bringing y'all these vlogs though, man. You know what I mean? Like from point of view, and I'm telling y'all, it's bike week, so it's about to be absolute craziness. Let me put my visor down because it smells like elephants over here. I don't know why. I don't know if it's like the fertilizer they use in the grass, but it smells like elephant ass. Yo, now with this camera, y'all can hear and see all the crazy stuff that I get to see, man. You know what I mean? So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be rather interesting. Make sure y'all smash that subscribe, man. Smash that subscribe. Help me get these likes. Help me get this channel up, get these views up, man. I'm not stopping. You know what I'm saying? We just hit 100 viewers not too long ago. Actually, right now we're over 100. So, man, let's go ahead and get that 1K. As a matter of fact, if we get the 1K, it doesn't matter when it happens. If we get the 1K, I'm going to do a giveaway. How about that? I will do a giveaway. You get me the 1K, I'll randomly select somebody, and I'll give away 2 shirts. How about that? Let's put a date on it. Get me the 1K by June. If we get the 1K by June, I'll randomly select 2 of the subscribers and give you 2 shirts and give out a shirt to each one. All right? So that's it. 1K by June. 2 subscribers to get selected to get a shirt. But also on top of that, some more rules to this. You have to subscribe to the channel, and then you also have to follow me on Instagram. And again, the Instagram is One Race Lifestyle, just like the YouTube channel One Race Lifestyle. So 1K by June, 2 shirt giveaway. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the Instagram, and it's all good. All right? And you could be one rocking the shirt. And I got some exclusive designs. So I know you see the one that says the One Race Lifestyle established 1980. I know you've seen that one, but I got a new one. It's pretty freaking sick, man. It's pretty freaking epic. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's see if we can make that happen. The reason why I got this new camera is because I wanted to be able to take you guys along with me. One thing that pissed me off about a lot of the vlogs that I was doing is that I always have to stop to record, or if I'm out doing a test ride, there'll be like crazy like wind noise and stuff like that. So with the setup that I have now, I have pretty much the top of the line setup. I invested so much money into this equipment for doing these vlogs, so I should not have that problem anymore at all, period. So I want y'all to see something while I'm riding the bike. I'm actually headed to work right now. In order for me to get to work, I have to get on the highway. There is a particular YouTuber, I'm not gonna say who. There's a particular YouTuber, I'm not gonna say any names, but let me chase behind this truck. There's a particular YouTuber that is always bashing the Gsx250, or any Suzuki for that matter. I don't know why. And don't get me wrong, I haven't been riding forever. I am a huge fan. A huge fan. Here's my heart. A huge fan of this particular YouTuber. But god damn, man, let Suzuki live, bro. Like, I understand you might not like what you like, or you know what I'm saying, whatever, but damn, let Suzuki live. So what I wanted to do, one of the reasons why I was such in a hurry to go ahead and get this camera set up, is because I'm gonna take this bike on the highway and show y'all. I literally ride this bike every single day on the highway, every single day. So I want y'all to see for yourselves, no bullshit, I want y'all to see for yourselves what it is that the 2018 Gsx250r fully stock, I haven't even modded it yet, fully stock, can do on the highway. And I hope you enjoy it, because I'm tired of people bashing my little 250. And it's crazy because I get love out here in the hood, you know what I'm saying, with the bike groups here in Orlando, Florida. That's where I'm at. I'm in Orlando, and I'm trying to be the biggest vlogger in Orlando. Don't get me wrong, there's some cool ones out here. You got, what's his name, Blockhead, you know what I'm saying, you got a couple other people, but I'm trying to be the biggest biggest YouTuber, biggest vlogger on this motorcycle thing in Orlando. No disrespect to anybody, but I'm coming for it. And I'm doing it on a 250. 250. I'll be talking hella shit. Oh my god. But I'm not playing. I'm really trying to be the biggest motor vlogger here in Orlando, man, and Florida in general. We get ready to go ahead and jump on this highway so y'all can see what it is this thing do. Yeah, I'm stretching out that third gear. That's one of the reasons why I'm getting the sprockets changed on this bike, because the gears are too short, and I do mostly highway riding, so I want longer gears. All right. I'm turning onto the highway. As you see, it's a freaking highway. I'm only in fourth gear and I'm stretching it out. Let's see if we got a truck coming up behind us. I'm about to tuck though, so just to let y'all know. So Chase always be talking about this bike like we can't get anywhere. Yeah, we can't keep up on the highway. And I really don't understand, why does he say stuff? Why would you say such a thing, Chase? I love your channel, bro. I'm a subscriber, don't get me wrong. But you gotta stop bashing the Gsx250r, man. How fast do you plan on going? I'm cruising right now. I'm chilling. I'm tucked. I'm on the bike. You see my legs down there. I'm cool. You know what I'm saying? We got a little bit of speed going on. You know, everybody else is traveling about a comfortable 80. I am not by far speeding or flying down the highway recklessly. How fast do you want to go? I'm chilling right now, cruising down the highway. And if I want to, I still got a little bit more to give it to get past some of these cars. Look at that. He says it's hard to control. Look at this. I just switched lanes. It's not hard to control, Chase. Oh my god. Look, I'm passing a car, a truck. Holding my mirror in so I can see behind me. Passing another truck. How fast do you want to go? Look, I'm passing a van. Shout out to Cross Point. How fast do you want to go? You want me to go faster, Chase? Look, I'm passing another car. And this is on a 250. Look, I'm passing another truck. Come on, bro. I need you to stop. This is real life. None of this shit is edited. From what you're seeing right now, this is me every day on my Gsx250r. What more do you need? Stop telling people they need a 600 or whatever. You can do it on a Suzuki. You can. It can be done. It can be done. Trust me, it can be done. Look at this. It's windy. Look at that view. Woo! This is one of the reasons why I like this highway. You can see all that water over there. And I know I got it in wide view, so you should be able to see everything. Let these people live. If you can afford a 250, if that's all that you can afford, get you a Suzuki Gsx250r. Slowly parts are being made for it. I'm getting ready to slap an exhaust on mine because it's a little bit too quiet for me. But it'll be a while before I get a 600. Not because I can't afford it, it's because I don't need it. What more do you need? What more do you need? Stop telling these people this shit, that these bikes are bad, man. For the people that follow my channel specifically because it is a Gsx250r, I hope this helps you see or helps you make a decision. Or if you're thinking about buying this bike, I hope it helps you make a decision that, yes, I can keep up on the highway on this bike, as you just seen from the footage that I just showed you. Absolutely insane. That's sanity. I love it, man.